Joe Beermaster with 2019 Chrysler 300. This goes for multiple years. I'm going to show you how to take a tail light out. You open the trunk. You got to take this trim panel down. There's little clips here to hold it in. There's also some turn nuts. And then you go in here and you'll see these little, look in there, there's these little wing nuts. You got to get 3 of them. There's 3 of them. We're going to spin them by hand. They also have a 10mm head on them. Use a 10mm ratchet. And this is what you have to do to replace the assembly or change a bulb. And all 3 of them are loose. I'm just going to wiggle it. Doing this with one hand. It works its way out. And this looks like a sealed unit. It's an LED, so you cannot change the bulb. You would have to change the assembly. And to get this off, you have to slide this back, and then slide this red piece back, and lift that up, and then pull it away from the light. Alright. So as you can see, this is a sealed unit. You cannot replace the bulb. You would have to replace the assembly. Always check the fuses first. And that's how it's done. To reverse it, put it back in, put the 3 wing nuts on. Make sure the harness is connected. And that's it. Joe Beermaster.